In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, today we are going to learn the trigonometric addition and subtraction formulas. So for addition, the first formula for the sine A plus B, which is equal sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So sine A minus B, which is equal sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So the best thing to be perfect in trigonometry, you need to memorize the formulas. Then you will be able to use correctly the formulas. So if you are not going, you think it is coming in exam. Yes, it is coming in exams. But if you don't remember, then you don't know where and which formula exactly you need to use in the question. So you will get confused. So better to memorize the formulas. So let's start the next question. So for sine addition subtraction formula, we are going to use and we will solve some questions. So first of all, we will apply the formula here. Sine x plus 60. X mean A, 60 mean B. So we will, this is plus, we will use this formula. So sine A, it means sine x. Cos B mean cos 60 plus cos A. Cos A mean cos x. Then sine B means sine 60. So we can simplify. You can use calculator. What is cos 60? First of all, cos 60 is 0.5. So this is 0.5 sine x plus sine 60. What is sine 60? That is 0.866 and cos x, this one, because we write the coefficient before. So this is the answer. Look at the next question. This question we are going to simplify. So here, because there are two formulas we will apply, I mean the both addition and subtraction. So the first of all, look at the first question. Sine A minus B, it means sine A, the formula, cos B minus cos A sine B. B is pi over 6. Clear? Then minus 2, put bracket, open this formula. Sine A plus B. A mean x, B mean pi over 6. So sine A cos B plus cos A sine B pi over 6. Okay, now we will use calculator to find the values, but be careful. Pi over 6, it means radian. We will change the mode of the calculator into radian. So sine pi over 6, cos pi over 6 first, cos pi over 6, which is 0.866, and sine x minus sine pi over 6 means 0.5, and cos x minus 2, bracket, cos pi over 6 just we found here, which is 0.866 sine x plus sine pi over 6 0.5 cos x. Clear? So after that we are going to open the bracket. 2 will multiply with this and this will be same. So 0.866 sine x minus 0.5 cos x minus 2 multiply 0.866, 2 multiply 0.866, which is equal 1.732 sine x minus 2 multiply 0.5 mean 1, 2 times 0.5 equal 1. So 1 cos mean cos x. Clear? Okay, just let me raise to write the answer of this one. Okay, so after that I will go back. So 0.86 sine, okay, and here cos both are negative. So first you will add sine 0.866 minus 1.732, which is equal minus 0.866 sine x. Okay, then 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1, which is equal minus 1.5 cos x. This is our answer. After simplifying, we got this. I hope you understood this one. Okay, let's go to the next question. Now they gave you sine 15. Sine 15. What does it mean? If they will give you sine, because we are learning addition subtraction formulas. In addition subtraction, we will try to change into addition subtraction formulas. Whenever you saw such type of question, so we will try to change by using these formulas: 30, 60, 90. We will use these for and 45. We will use these formulas to try to change the form of 15 to bring plus or minus. So what we do by using this one to plus and minus to get 15. So if we will do 60 minus 45, which is equal 15. So 60 minus 45 sine bracket 60 minus 45, which is equal addition subtraction formula. This is A, this is B. So sine A means sine 60, cos B in cos 45 minus cos 60 mean cos A, sine B means sine 45. Clear? So now we will use the calculator. We can find the answer. Sine 60, which is equal 0.866 multiply cos 45, which is equal 0.707 minus cos 60, which is equal 0.5 multiply sine 45, which is equal 0.707. Okay, now we will multiply 0.866 multiply 0.707, which is equal 0.612 minus, you will multiply 0.5 multiply 0.707, which is equal 0.35. So now this minus this, so 0.612 minus 0.35, which is equal 0.262. This is our answer. I hope you understand. So whenever you see one angle, to try to change into two angles by using plus or minus, addition or subtraction form. Okay, now look at the next one. This has shown that when you solve this one, answer should be equal to this one. So I will try to solve by using left hand side, which is equal sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So what is the rule? Sine A, to open this one, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B plus, again here sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So this is negative, this is positive, cancelled. So this is 1, this is also 1, 1 plus 1 equal to sine A cos B, because 1 times sine A cos B, 1 times 1 plus 1, 2 sine A cos B, which is equal to the right hand side. So proved. This is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. In the next question, we have no cos formulas. Before we learned sine formulas, now there are cos formulas. So cos A plus B equal cos A cos B minus sine A, because if it is plus there will be minus, if it is minus there will be plus. Others both things same. First thing cos A cos B, sine A sine B. Let's start applying to simplify the given question. So cos A plus B, cos A plus B means cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus, so it will be minus, because if it is plus there will be minus, minus sine A sine B. Okay, then minus cos A cos B, because this minus here plus, not plus now, because of this minus there will be minus, not plus, so it will be sine A sine B. Look now, cos A cos B, this is negative because 1 minus 1 cancel, so 1 minus 1 sine A sine B, here also minus 1 sine A sine B, so it will be equal minus 2 sine A sine B. I hope you understand. Okay, look at the next question. As I told you, if there is one angle, we will try to make two angles by using plus or minus sign. So this one I can use, as I told you before, this, and which angles we will use? 30, 45, 60 or 90. So here we can use even the same one, cos 60 minus, no, not minus, because here we are going to add, so cos 30 plus 45, 30 plus 45 equals 75. So we will apply the cos formula, A plus B. So what is the rule? Cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So by using calculator we can find the answer. So cos 30, which is equal 0.866, multiply cos 45, which is equal 0.707, minus sin 30, which is equal 0.5, multiply sin 45, which is equal 0.707. So first multiply both of them, 0.866 multiply 0.707, which is equal 0.612 minus 0.5 multiply 0.707, which equals 0.353. So this 0.612 minus 0.353, which is equal 0.259. This is the answer. Clear? Okay, look at the next question. In the next question, they give you the opposite side. Mean cos 4a cos a, sin 4a sin a, mean cos a cos b sin a sin b. So it is cos formula. So if it is cos formula, we know which is equal cos a mean 4a. If it is minus, so it will be plus b yani a. So cos 4a plus 1a, which is equal 5a. Answer. Okay, look at the next question. In the next question, they gave you sin a cos b cos a sin b. Be careful, huh? They wrote mixed it, and this is a, 2a 3ab, so 2a 3ab, because multiplying 2 multiply 3 3 multiply 2, so no problem, and they can write the cos after sin just to confuse you a little bit. You need to understand the concept. So sin a cos b cos a sin b, what is the formula? Formula is sine. So sine, if it is plus, for plus formula, sine a mean 2a plus b 3a, which is equal sine 5a. This is our answer. Now the last thing, tan formula, because sine cos tan. In tan formula, if it is plus, so tan A, tan B plus, if it is plus 1, if it is plus, the denominator there will be minus. So there is minus tan A, tan B. If it is negative up, mean the numerator there will be negative and denominator there will be positive, opposite sign. Okay, let's apply the formula here. So sin A, tan A plus B. Plus B mean the first formula we will use, which is equal tan A plus tan B. B mean 30 over 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A plus tan B, tan 30 by using calculator we can find tan 30, which is equal 0.577 over 1 minus tan 30, 0.577 tan A. This is the answer. Okay, look at the next. They give you A plus B equal pi over 4, and they are asking you to show that tan A equal to this one. So we need to, this is given, we have to find this one, mean this is the answer. Show that mean this is the answer, you have to bring this one. So this is given, let's start. So we need tan A, we will take tan B to other side, we will take tan B to other side. Okay, because we need A. So A equal pi over 4 minus B. So take tan both side. Tan A equal tan pi over 4 minus B. So tan A we will keep same, the other side we will apply the formula. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B minus tan B over 1, because if it is negative, denominator will be plus tan A into tan B, which is, so tan pi over 4 equal 1 minus tan B over 1 plus, so tan A, tan pi over 4 equal 1 multiply tan B. So tan A equal 1 minus tan B over 1 plus tan B, which is equal to the answer. So proved. You can write this is the answer, proved. Clear? This is the things we applied, addition and subtraction formulas. If you have any question related to these plus addition, subtraction formulas, trigonometric rules, you can ask me in the comments. I will record a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you with the next video.